The hair business is fast growing right now, so this is an excellent time to start profiting from this industry. Future market saturations will be a problem because it is a growing market. You will require outstanding wholesale hair provider if you want to compete and succeed. In this video, I will give you 4 easy steps to successfully and reliable hair vendor supplier. Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair Factory. First and foremost, you need to find best hair providers by doing research and creating a budget. Making a budget is crucial whether you want to build a hair salon or start a general reselling business selling different varieties of hair. After doing research, your next step is to review the company's fine print so that you can find reliable hair vendor suppliers. Do they provide any types of guarantees? What are their purchase conditions? All of this information will be accessible on their website if they are reliable hair supplier. Their website should include details about refunds and delivery security. You might wish to hunt for another vendor if this information is missing. Currently, there are many hair suppliers that use fake information online to attract customers. In addition to consulting customer reviews, the next step you need to do is to work directly with your hair vendor supplier. There are many customers so that you can check the credibility of reliable hair vendor for yourself. However, the most common way we can do is to request a video call. Video call will help you to check the office and factory working environments as well as the hair qualities of your hair vendor suppliers. Requesting hair sample is the 4th step in guiding to find a reliable hair vendor suppliers. Request that vendor provide you sample of straight or wave hair. Sew on your own, then color, lighten, dry, and warm them. Be sure to monitor how it is holding up. Samples are a great method to judge the quality. If you like the sample, make a little order, only enough to satisfy the seller's minimum to make sure the samples placed as real. Hopefully, with these 4 simple steps I mentioned above, you can confidently and successfully find your reliable hair vendor supplier to start your hair business. Although finding a trustworthy hair vendor suppliers is really hard work and requires patience, once you find your hair vendor, you can start your hair business in an easier way. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to text me through this WhatsApp number. If you find this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.